Box 1-3, Citizen Forest, reported structure fire. Class 1. Squatty Wagon 3, Tower 1, Truck 2.
County, is this the vacant apartment that they've been going to?
Yeah, we received 2 calls reporting it's an abandoned building there. The police are on scene with heavy smoke.
Okay. Got a call.
Okay, squad with a column.
Wow, I just came on. I can see it.
Yeah, we received 2 calls reporting it's an abandoned building there. The police are on scene with heavy smoke.
Got a call.
Oh, looks like it's in the back.
Okay, squad with a column.
Yeah, 3-story garden apartment style. We got smoke showing. Squad come in off of
Fire Zone A.
McClay,
Fire
truck
2.
Tower 1. If you can come in off of Woodbine, that'd be best.
I think it's this one. Let me check here. That one?
And we might need the 250. Yeah, we got 2 apartments.
I'm gonna check around back.
Captain 1, do we need to upgrade the box?
Yeah, give me a first alarm, chief.
County, you copy direct.
I copy. G5, we're gonna have 2 lines in service. Looks like we got fire on the 3rd floor, possibly going through the roof.
Copy.
I'm in the rear. I got fire showing on the Division 2 Charlie side.
Tower 1, get in position, get up there to the roof. We need to get it open. Tower 1, copies.
Squad, when you get here, pull another line. We need a long line.
Wagon 4, you copy?
Yeah, that's fine.
Go ahead, Chief. Come wagon 4.
What's up with this line?
He's getting 50 feet for it.
Let's go.
Are you guys in there yet?
Chief, wagon 4, we're gonna come in 6 to Woodbine. Grab the plug there.
Tower 1's up. Tower 1, you guys able to get to the roof? Captain 1, we got any reports of people inside, or is it vacant?
Back and forth ride. We have a hydrant, stick, and woodbine.
We can get that next line to the third floor. Third floor.
Squad, remember the line to the third floor.
Anybody up here?
What's up?
You good?
Command, this is Owen Apartments. Can we get Atlas Street in the rear off the play?
No.
It looks like we're going to that.
Chief is saying it's gonna be tough. Truck 32, watch out. The chief's advising there's a sinkhole in the back. It's gonna be tough.
Are you in yet?
All right, we wanted to try. Can we back in force off the 6th and get to it?
Come off of McClay.
Is this a line? What's up, dude? Need a line. Need a line? Yeah, they're forcing that door to that apartment. I think it's coming from the front side, right? I saw most of the fire in the back. Back where? This rear. This way?
This way.
To the right? The first one, yeah, to the left.
Go ahead, Cap. Are you trying to get people into the exposure apartment building? It looks like it was running in between the roof lines, so. I got wagon 4 with a line into the east side exposure. Is that the one you're talking about?
How do you get there? Up here to the left.
Affirmative.
Yeah, it looks like it's running here to the east side at the roof line in that little throat.
You guys in there yet?
Command, last one's on positive water.
Okay. Patch 38, you need your line charge? Yeah, go ahead and send it in the Bravo.
What are we doing?
Here it comes.
Wagon 4, the exposure.
Christ, the highway's off.
Yeah, it's hot.
The highway's off. Get that line charge.
Yo, charge that line!
Guys, the whole highway's off.
Jesus. Yo!
Wagon 3 towards 200. Correct it towards the 2-inch.
Copy this.
This is you and me right here? Yeah.
Command from County.
I got water now.
First City Police, there's no fire investigators working today.
Are you holding this door? Yeah, I got it. Hold the door. All right.
Joe, Nate, you good?
side. Right here's the steps? Yep.
Yeah.
Alright.
Chuck, let me know when you got that roof opened up. We're going to slow this down. Command from 38. We're working on the sliders knocking down on the Charlie side. Second floor. Okay. You got that third floor ceiling opened up? Is it past you?
Don't feel it. I hear him close.
We're working two right now, yeah. Okay.
Try to poke some holes.
Engineers at 149. There's no over here. Copy.
Alright.
Objective one. You got one on that fire on the third floor. Say that again. Police objective one. You have order on the fire on the third floor. Captain 1, how are you making out the primary fire building? On the fire.
Good job. Where we at? Alright. We're throwing this down. Alright.
Wagon 3. Charge at 250 off the OIC side.
Alright, can you move?
Water's coming.
Lieutenant 8 from command, how are you making out? Real quick down. Not good. Slow it down. What was that? Right now, the best is there. Going on the fire. Okay.
We still got fire right up here.
Stand from the roof.
Wagon 3. Shut down that 250 off the OIC side briefly.
Start sniffing.
Still above us?
Roof from command, how are we making out? Chief, we got one hole. However, you have fire in the Bravo 1 exposure as well. Alright, you need to open up more, get it done. Command from 38. We're on Bravo 1 exposure, second floor rear. We need someone with a line in the main fire building in the Charlie down the corner, second floor. There's fire, we can't get through there, there's fire wall. I see that. You look good out back on the Charlie side except that CD corner. Alright, we're getting water on the fire.
Alright. Here it comes.
Yeah, Chief, we need to get that CD or the BC corner in that apartment you're in. 3rd floor. Truck 32 roof. How are we looking? Running to the left there. Come in. Fire starting. Run. We're trying to get some holes out. Chief from Tower 1 Bucket.